Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a perfect silhouette effect in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already added the third page, just a blank white page. Going to the elements, and adding a picture what I would like to use. Going to the background remover, and just cropping picture a bit. In this case will be way easier to work with it. Then going to the edit, duotone, choose any. Due to we need to change both colors to black anyhow. Changing the background color of the Canva also to black. So now we have a perfect silhouette, but it's not visible. But make it visible. First we can go to the elements again. I use this neon circle, graphics, and looking for, this one. Just increasing the size a bit. This one also has to be cropped, just to, in this case, easier to work with it. I'm going to the positions, layers, and moving below behind the picture, and now it's perfectly done. As you can see, we can perfectly see the silhouette. And if you duplicate it, I can remove again the circle, go into the text, add heading, type whatever we need. In this case, I use canvateacher. Do not change anything yet, just go into the to the fonts, and try to find, you see, narrow. I just searching for narrow font types, which is this effect looks much better with this narrow fonts, I think. Feel free to search if you use any else, but I think this is the best way to do it. Sorry, I just paused the video and I use this W as a pausing. I'm still a bit still coughing a bit, and just still not in a perfect condition. But I think this might be this one. Yeah. This Amsterdam was, yeah. This one looks very nice. And going to the spacing, line spacing, and just moving bit. And the letter spacing just a really bit. Increasing the size of the text. Oops, that's too much. Like this. And I'm not sure is it good if I'm moving behind. Yeah. So I just have to select again the text. I think this is it. No, this is the text. Spacing, the letter spacing a bit, just a bit increasing. Yeah. Like, yeah, just we have to play with it like this. Yeah, that's fine. Finding the perfect text is not always easy when we would like to do this. I mean, not text, I mean a font type. That's not easy, but maybe this one is a bit better. But of course we can play with it. We can reduce the size of the silhouette also, and in this case we can have a bit different fonts also. But this silhouette, I think that looks amazing. So this is a final outcome. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you need any help with Canva or any other AI tools, and please also follow me on my Facebook page where you can find all of the videos, plus you can find lots of AI prompts for image generation. So this video is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.